Hey, how's it going out there, folks? Earthmaster back here again on a busy Tuesday morning. It's about 10:03 a.m. Central Time here in Texas. Got another big earthquake down here into the Macquarie Island region. This earthquake, a 6.8 earthquake coming in, following a 6.2 that happened just a little bit further up the plate boundary. A lot of big-time adjustment taking place here right now across this area. And got to watch for some larger movement up north specifically around the New Zealand area, the Alpine Fault and the Hikurangi subduction zone. Of course, I've been chatting about this for a little bit, mentioning how this area is a little bit overdue for some larger movement. A lot of activity north of New Zealand and a lot of activity south here recently. That would leave New Zealand right in the prime spot for some larger scale activity. So that's a decent-sized earthquake. I don't think there's going to be a tsunami statement with that, but let me double-check here and see if there is any type of statement on that from the USGS. Tsunami.gov website is the place to check out. I do not see any tsunami warning, advisory, watch, or threat from this 6.8 earthquake. Again, this just follows a large earthquake just a short time ago there, further up north along the plate boundary. That's going to be that 6.2. So quite rare to see two 6-pointers down here, but that's just letting me know that there's definitely some adjustment going on across this area. And to keep an eye there on New Zealand. I'm telling you, folks, the Alpine Fault, the Hikurangi subduction zone, all fairly well primed for some larger earthquake activity. These two 6-pointers, obviously the largest so far here in the last 24 hours. I'm not quite to where I'm headed today for my severe weather threats. 4.7 up in Alaska here recently. But I am going to be doing a full and complete update here very soon. I'm on my mobile device right now, so it's kind of hard to do any type of full update on these earthquakes, but I will definitely cover that here as we hopefully get to our room. We're covering severe weather in Texas and Oklahoma. Pretty much watched lightning all night last night. Got maybe a couple hours of sleep while we were out and about. That's just me and Missy Mimi's things. We love to go out and watch the lightning. Missy Mimi's seen lightning bugs or fireflies for the first time in her life. I remember them when I was a kid. I used to live out here in over around Columbus, Ohio, and whatnot. But I remember the fireflies, so that's pretty cool. She got to see them, and we got to see a whole bunch of lightning. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, folks, I will be doing a complete update here once I get to our room where we're going. But keep an eye, like I say, keep an eye on New Zealand. There's so much movement going on down here today. The latest quake, again, a 6.8 occurring just about 10 minutes ago. No tsunami statement with that earthquake. And there's that 6.2 that stirred up. Well, just literally an hour or so. What was it, about an hour and a half prior to that 6.8. So be on guard, folks. Looks like maybe something bigger about ready to brew down here. We'll catch you guys out here in probably about an hour for the complete update. Have a good one.